How do you sell on Facebook Marketplace? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can sell your products and then get it listed on Facebook Marketplace to help reach more people. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, I want you to open the Facebook application here, and you want to make sure to look for the marketplace icon from the top of the menu bar. Now usually the menu bar is going to feature some of the most popular things that you use. In your case, the marketplace option could be hidden. So in that case, you can just tap the three lines icon, and then in the shortcuts tab, you can simply look for marketplace here and then just tap on it. Now when you go to marketplace, by default you're going to see a list of products that other people have listed. And before I get on to this tutorial, I just want to show you one thing. If I just come to my own listings over here, I will show you a couple of listings that I've made, and I've also successfully sold some of my products on Facebook Marketplace, which you can tell that I'm coming from a place of experience. Now to get started selling on the Facebook Marketplace, first of all you need to do is once you come to the Marketplace tab, here you'll find the sell button. You want to make sure to just tap the sell button. From the bottom, you have to select the type of categories, items that you're selling, whether you're selling an item or a vehicle or an accommodation. That means a properties or for sale or rent. So if you're selling such as electronic devices, I just recommend you select the items over here. Now inside items as well, you have different categories, but before that you want to make sure to enter the details about your product. So first of all, you want to make sure to go ahead and allow the permissions and upload the photos of your product over here. Then just tap the next button. Once you've done that, make sure to actually enter the title for your product, and then make sure to enter a reasonable price. Once you've done that, you want to simply select the category. So you can see you can select the categories by default, or you can just tap on the drop down menu and select some of the categories that you'd like. And usually you also have the condition option, which is you can say new, used, or like new, used good, or used fair. So depending upon the condition, I just recommend to select a specific condition here. Now if you want, you can enter an optional description, but I just recommend you enter it in order to get more sales. Now the other thing you can simply actually choose over here is what kind of product is this, whether it is a single item or whether it is a stock item. So whether if you're selling in stock, you want to make sure to list it as in stock, or whether you want to sell it as a single item. Select that, make sure to enter other details, tap the next option, follow the instructions, and then you should be good to go, and then post your product to many of the Facebook community marketplaces and groups and pages. That is it for today's video on how you can begin selling on Facebook Marketplace. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.